When we first put Shoplogix on the floor, one of the things that we noticed right away was the people took a great interest in it, and they were down there and they were taking a look at it. And from just that, from them being able to see and compare how they were doing on the Shoplogix board, made an incredible difference. We started seeing downtime going down, and we started seeing breaks shorten.
I like it because it gets people some skin in the game, and they get to see what their impact is. When I train people on the floor, it takes 3 minutes, and I'm done. They're using the machine.
Shoplogix is a great visual management tool for us to be able to see when the press goes down. It makes it a lot more easier for me to walk up to the press and talk to the specific operator that is there. So then in return I can call setup or maintenance in order to repair the issue.
We use Shoplogix on all 34 of our presses now. And anybody who knows anything about injection molding knows that they don't like to be shut down. Because we have a 360,000 square foot place and we have all 34 of these presses strung from one end to the other, and we have one guy watching all of them, it was very difficult to make sure that people weren't shutting them off. And some people think, what's 5 minutes, right? Or 2 minutes at the end of my shift. We very quickly realized that the losses were huge. Your 2-minute break cost me $90 yesterday. And I just won't play. We can't do this.
If we have an injection press or we have a cure line that's down for anywhere from 10, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, that I will get an alert on my cell phone. That's amazing because I carry my cell phone all the time. I actually have the ability then to call back into the plant and say, okay, what is going on?
We'll do 6 mold changes on a 3,000-ton press in a 24-hour period. Not a problem. Sometimes we'll do that many in a shift. I need to understand every aspect of these mold changes, because it's important that they improve. We want to get every detail we can. When is the tool in, and when does it start running good parts? So we can look at every aspect of a mold change. Every mold change that we do, all 40 that we do every day.
It's easy because the computer itself records your downtime, which then you're not over there using a calculator or trying to figure out what your downtime is. Every time when I do my Shoplogix, I want to see green. That's the main purpose of the Shoplogix, is green, 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 and see how much production we have done for the day.
Basically, we're trying to save the company money and reducing paperwork, and it gets to the people in the office a lot quicker and gets a quicker turnaround for us out on the floor.
Our main motivation for implementing Shoplogix was to get the full story on our injection molding. One of the things that we captured, which we didn't really even expect to see, was a large uptime increase. We attribute that to people being able to look at the board and see that we're noticing that they maybe weren't back to their stations when they should have been. And they also got to compare each other. The Kia cell ended up with like a 5.2% increase in uptime. PF was 4.5 uptime increase.
It's like having another supervisor out there. Now we have a system that we can go to and take a look at that tells us all that information. For every second of downtime, it costs us a nickel. It allows us to highlight some of our losses and to gain those seconds back.